Hi everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me again. I know it is almost Christmas, but this is just a last minute quick ornaments, very simple that I just made yesterday. I'm using this set of wood slices from Arteza. I don't know if I can find it on scrapbook.com. I will try to find them or put something similar to link it down below. You'll find all the materials linked down below. Here I took all these the three slices and I'm just very lightly dabbing my dry brush in white acrylic paint. The brush has to be dry for this technique. I've had this set for like I think 2 years, and I saw Vicky doing this exact technique, and I bought these slices to do that project, and since then it hasn't been done, and I thought I'll do it quickly to show it to you this year. I mean, just before Christmas. So after I finished all around the edges, and I'm lightly going from the taking from the edge to the inside, just lightly, so it would still look like snow. Here I used my washi tape to make something like a mask for a snowbank, and I'm using my embossing paste to create the snow. Here I'm going to add reindeer standing in the snow. Stay tuned. By the end of the video, we will be putting the deer here. I will just leave it to dry, just a little dry. I don't want it to totally dry because you will see what I'm going to do with the deer. I'm just giving it texture, dabbing it more and more so it will have a raised texture. It will look so pretty. Then, before leaving it to dry, just make sure that you remove the mask. And just leave it to lightly dry. See how pretty it is. To add the elements on my wood slices, I'm going to use the sticker sheet from Echo Park. It has very beautiful images, so Christmassy and pretty. So for the first one, I'm going to start with this reindeer head. It is so pretty. It is just like a patterned paper. It doesn't have the details of the face, yet it shows very well that it's the head of a reindeer. So pretty. In the sticker sheet also you will find these sentiments that I just used a couple of them and I put it. And then I decided that when I hang the snowflakes, when I hang the ornament, I wanted when it spins, I wanted to show from the other side that there's something else at the back. So I decided to decorate both sides. So here I just found this sort of wreath that says joy or a hanger, and then I'm adding few elements beside it. We'll throw a couple of snowflakes from the same sticker sheets. See how beautiful, cute this cup is. They're all matching and they're all pretty. When you put these three ornaments together, showing at on the same Christmas tree, it'll be matching together. It looks so pretty. And on to the next one. Then I found this cute ornament that I'm gonna add as well on my ornament. Now, the lighting of the video here is not so good. Just I think on the next section, the colors will be better. So then again, I'm going to add a couple sentiments and the word December 25 on the ornament. Even the background on the sentiments are matching with the images. They're so pretty. I added the word Christmas and then joy. And on the other side, I'm going to add Christmas 25. I am so happy that I finally made this. It has been lying down in my drawers for something like 2 years. See how pretty and matching they're together. And here is the ornament where I told you about the deer. So remember, the embossing paste is still dry, so I'm just gonna place the body of the reindeer, and then for the legs, I'm gonna take a brush, and with the back of the brush, I'm gonna lightly press her legs So as if they are like embedded or something in the snow. It will be raised snow around her legs. It will look so pretty. I'll bring it closer so you can see it. And then I'm going to add a couple sentiments. I tried to add a Christmas tree on the side, but it was taken away from how pretty the reindeer is. It looks so pretty with her body from a patterned paper. It's so pretty. Adding a couple leaves on the sentiment. Look how nice and pretty. It will show even more in the pictures by the end. We're so done. All we're left with is to just create the hangers. I'm just bringing my twine, brown twine for the main hanger, and then I'm going to tie a bow around each hanger. The set also comes with twine. I don't know if I think this is the twine from the set, the brown one. Then I'm just going to tie a knot on top, and on the bottom next to the ornament I am going to tie a bow from a different twine. This is red and white, and then I'm going to bring another one that has also green color, and I'm gonna try tying a white and red bow, and on the other one I will tie a bow with the green color, and on the third one I'm just gonna leave it without any bow, so just to give different looks. So here they are, the one with the reindeer. Can you see how raised the snow around her legs? So pretty. And this one has no bow. This has the green bow. It's so pretty from both sides. When you spin it, you can see a different view. And here is the one with the red bow. Such a cute project, very simple and quick. And I'm gonna leave you with the images. I had so much fun creating them. I hope you did do it, guys, and I hope you have time to create something just a day before Christmas. I'm gonna gift this to my brother and his wife. We're gonna meet them tomorrow. I will leave you guys with the picture, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.